So HashMap Lab activity. First thing on the rubric is create a hash map correctly. So here we create our hash map of US states and capitals via string. Use the dot put to input all the capitals and states. Then here we have our scanner where reads all the put data we just put in there for our hash map. Then the next in the rubric says game loop prompts for their command. So here we create a while loop where the first statement is enter a state name or type help for a list of commands. So either they can enter the state name or it'll give the list of commands. If they ask for the list of commands, it'll show here all the different commands that we have, which is states, capitals, print, or quit. Next thing is capital city is reported correctly when single state name is entered. So we can go ahead and run it. Enter state, and it shows up Atlanta. Now, full table is printed when user enters print. The table is printed in the console and must use an iterator. So here we use our iterator so that we can print out the full table. And here we can see, just print. All right, and here we see that all the states and capitals print out. Next thing on the rubric is when states is entered, a list of all states is presented to the console and must use the get keys method. So here we see where I print all the list of states using the key set. The get keys method wasn't working, so I did .key set and that one worked. Here we can go ahead and see how. So type in states, and here we see it prints out all the states for us. Now is when next thing in the rubric is when capitals is entered, a list of all capital cities is presented to the console and must use the get values method. So here we have our state capitals using the get values method. And to see how that worked is we're going to type capitals. And here we see that the capitals all print out. When help is entered, a list of instructions with commands name is provided. So we'll go ahead and pull up the help. It shows all the valid commands, and then run quit, and shows that it actually quits.